Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that's changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. I'm coming over here. I'm gonna make another video on Tether Plus. I got some people in my money bag alerts that has been talking about it some more, and you know, there's some interest on this project. The community is pretty big. It's growing pretty fast, so we're gonna cover this. And there was some pullback, and this is an area where I believe I'm going to be adding to my position right now on this project because the community is so big. Has also the airdrop. I already signed up for the airdrop. So the airdrop's already signed up. I grabbed it a little bit just so like that it would be in the wallet so I can just keep an eye on it for anybody that was keeping an eye on it. But right now we're going to get to these price predictions and what I see we got right here. So make sure you guys get tapped in for this $1,000 airdrop. If I win anything from one of these airdrops, I'm going to be giving that away on my channel, either on my Twitter, my YouTube, or my Telegram. So make sure you guys do not miss out. Do not miss out on the money bag alerts. You know, it's only $30 a month. It will not make me and it will not break you, but it lets you in and get on my money bag alerts on all my hot plays coming up for the year 2022. Okay. Also gets you the technical analysis course half off and my NFT course half off. You guys do not want to miss out on that for 2022. Okay. So right now, also come to my Twitter and the technical analysis course. This is some of the pictures that I've been doing to show everybody, you know, my gains. You guys can come here and how I've been racking up little by little, even on during a bear market, you know, trading futures and keeping some USDT so I can use that USDT to buy more ETH or Bitcoin and then load my bags up with more buying power basically, okay? And not move none of my any other positions, okay? So this is the website right here, just in case you're not familiar and you're new to the channel. Channel's taking off, so thank you guys for shilling the channel. It's tetherplus.to, okay? And then right now we're gonna get to these price predictions right now and show you what I'm talking about. Right now we're looking on the 15-minute chart, and we're gonna mark this chart up just really quick. You know, we need some more volume to come in, but I'm starting to see the prices come up, and also the Bitcoin, you know, it's already starting to correct itself. We're going to draw this really quick because this is something that once you start to follow my channel, if you got that bell notification lit up, this is a pattern that you are going to see a lot. Okay, where that last high was at, okay, 1 second, right here, and this price gets like rejected, right? And eventually we have a run up, and then we go to these new all-time highs. We're going to have either a white cough or an ugly dead cat bounce, what we have right here. The 2 ears. It's not always going to be picture perfect, okay? Eventually, you'll be able to tell that is one of those patterns, right? It's either going to be the one that looks like a mountain, which is the end of the white cough, or the one that looks like a cat, the 2 ears, the body of the cat, and then the tail that wrecks everybody. But they both always find themselves where we were rejected before on that all-time high, and then we have that breakthrough. And then we always find support on this level. It doesn't matter who it is. We always end up finding support right here. So we found support at 913. This was a great buying opportunity. I was busy this morning. Whoever got in down here, this was really good. This is still a buying opportunity because this one's going to run up pretty fast. People like this one. The community is really big on this one. So when the community is big on a project, that is what's going to make or break a project, okay? All the time. So right now we have, I'm just identifying these other supports and resistance that we might run into. So we had an all-time high of the 24s, still very early on this project, very lucrative way to get passive income in USDT. You guys following my channel, also my Twitter, you guys will like that. You guys will see that I like to accumulate some USDT. So when Bitcoin and ETH drops down, I could buy with that and add to my ETH and Bitcoin position or BNB position. It's like that I can load up on my bags that I want to more. Like right now, everything's at that ultimate dip. Bitcoin's starting to correct. So this might be the last time we see these low prices. You got to keep an eye on Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin dominance is very important. So we're going to identify these areas where we got rejected. Right now, what we're going to see, and I don't want you guys getting shooken out of your spots, especially if you're holding long-term, if you're earning the passive incomes, it's not uncommon to see something go up like this and tap right here to keep going back up. So like that, we can start to identify we're making higher lows and keep rocking up, okay? So whoever unloaded their bag, a lot of people are moving their money around. I don't think it's the best thing to do right now. for the fact that the markets are low. You know, that's why I like to get USDT, and just if I want to move some money around, I'll get some USDT and I'll buy into those positions that I want. Instead of selling out of one project to move it to another one, all those transaction fees, you know, it's not that healthy to do that. So right now we have support on the 913. We have another support that looks like that we might touch just to identify that we're making higher lows. That's what you want. So the chart can tell you, hey, we're rocking up, just like right here. We went down, we go up. That's a higher low, right? This was the low. This is a higher low. Notice that right after that, this is a higher low. Right after that, 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 another higher low, right? And then what happened here was when we went back up, we started making lower lows. And that's how you can tell when the trend was starting to change and go the opposite way. And we went into a bearish trend for a moment, okay? So that was right here at this moment. And then right here again, when we came back down, we start to rock back up. Let's identify this for the channel, for people who are new to the channel. Right here, we rocked up, we found support. And again, we start to make higher lows. And it's very simple when you guys can start to see this little by little, making support. And then boom, again, we get rejected right here. So the main parts of rejection, these parts where we get rejected, this was a false breakout to the top. So this is really that resistance right here is that 1869. This little wick right here and these things, that's just a false breakout. We yanked right back down, okay? So right now we have this 1869 that I can see is rocking up to. We'll probably consolidate right here and then see if we can break back to the upside if the volume picks up, okay? So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.